Guys, are you looking to upgrade your Aiphone JK MED? Well, you're in luck. We have the Aiphone JV Series right here, and the best thing is that it uses the same wires any legacy Aiphone to wire intercom, such as the JB, the KB, the JF, or the JK like we have here. So no need to rewire, making your job easy. And sure, the JK MED still works, it has a good life, and it's still pretty practical. But why not upgrade? And this is what we're looking at today. Let's get to it. Okay, so we have our JK MED on the table. We have the JV Series here. And now let's see how we actually replace the wires. So you turn around your JK MED, you remove the back plate here, and then you have access to the wires. And as you can see, we have the exact same connection. So the 24 volt goes here, and the A1 and the A2. So we'll reuse the same cables. One thing that I forgot to mention, it's important to note, disconnect your power first, or else you will see a lot of spark when these cable connects. Now, we take the same cables. Let's start with the A1 and A2 and connect it to our indoor monitor. Next stop is the power. And remember that the JK MED uses 18 volt power supply, while the JV Series uses a 24 volt. So you have this power supply that comes with the kit, and this is the one you add for your JK MED. You can look at the part number right here to differentiate both, because honestly, they look similar. But again, when you replace it, it's the same cable connection. So we took the cables we had on the JK, and now we put it on the power supply of the JV. And last but not least, the last connection we have for the upgrade is using the A1 and A2 cables that we connected here that was installed in the previous model, and we will connect it to our outdoor station. And there you have it. Using the same wires, you have your all new installation. So guys, the JK is removed, the JV is installed. So you know what? It's time for a change. So remove this right now, upgrade your system, and see you on the next one.